E equals MC what? What's the exponent? You don't know what?
What year was George Washington born?
Sorry, it's hot.
What year did George Washington die?
Got cold again. Who killed Atticus Finch?
Ooh, ooh.
Leah?
Trick question. Nobody killed Atticus Finch.
Boom! That's what I'm talking about. Nobody killed Atticus Finch. Great job. So describe to me in 3 words economics in Swahili. Leah?
I was just scratching my head.
Oh, sorry. I thought you knew the answer.
Oh, you know the answer, JJ?
No, I just want to know if I can use the bathroom. Is that okay?
Yeah, go ahead. Class, who knows the answer to number 5?
Oh, my bad, T.
How about number 6? Does anyone know the answer?
Oh, my pen. Let me get that.
Now, who's going to answer the final hardest question on the exam?
Damn, that's crazy. Let me get that. Y'all answered it already, right?